Guys, so this is a small project that I wanted to show how I would do it. So I have a small data over here. This data set has customer ID. So essentially it's a customer data which can be pulled out from a customer relationship manager software. So this one has a gender, then the age, the annual income of the customer, the spend score between 1 and 100, then their profession, then their work experience, and the family size. So, um, so in this project, let me try to explain what I'm trying to do. So whenever we have a product or we are in a company, we kind of select our ideal customer. Okay, so our target customer for our company was initially was someone in the who has the age uh, sorry, who has the age which is less than 45 and greater than 25. Okay, so we can say that the age was, let's say, not 45, let's say 65 and 25. So our age group is between 25 and 65. Okay, and we want income of our customer to be greater than 100,000 yearly. Okay, and then we also want their spend score to be greater than 50 at least. So this was our target ideal, I can say, customer persona when we just started off. So after making some sales, we have some additional data as well. And now I want to get more insights out of this data. So what's happening? So these are all the people who have purchased from us, but essentially they do not fall into this criteria, but we want to see who are our best buyers out of these. So what I'll do is I'll create three columns over here. One would be income qualification, or I can say target income, then target spend score, and then I can say target age. Okay, I am gonna format it in a similar way as these ones, and okay. Now I can say I'll use if statement over here. If the annual income is greater than 100,000, then pr print yes, else print no. Okay, okay. And then spend score. Again, it would be if the spend score is greater than 50, print yes, or print else print no. Okay, and now for this one, as I'm gonna use a multiple logic statement, if age is greater than 25 and age is less than 65, these are two logics that it has to satisfy. Print yes, else print no. Okay, so these are the three conditions. So my ideal customer will be which will qualify all these three conditions. Okay, now I'll just drag it over, and now what I'll do is I'll filter it to be yes for all of them. Okay, and okay, so these are my ideal customers. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to get more insights out of it. So what I'll do is, sorry, I'll copy this data as a whole and I'll paste it into a new sheet. And now what I'll do is I'll create, I'll insert a pivot chart into this one in a new worksheet. Okay, that's okay. And now I want to see what profession, sorry, it should not be here. I want my profession to be into my axis, and my customer needs to be here, and this needs to be count. Okay, so now what insight I get out of it is artist is the most prominent uh, profession for my ideal customer, followed by a healthcare and then the entertainment. So these are the top three professions that have age, they that have that qualify my age, my income, as well as my profession. Sorry, age, income, and spend score criteria. Okay, let's go ahead and do one more of these. I'll again insert a pivot chart, and this time I'll do it in my existing worksheet over here. Okay, and now I want to see my gender and the customer ID. Okay, as you can see, and it should be count. Okay, so now as you can see, it's almost 50% more. And now I want to share that female are more likely to be my ideal customers. So female who are either an artist or into entertainment or into a healthcare industry are my most prominent target audience. And they are one of my best customers. They have all the characteristics of being my target audience. So this is something, kind of a short analysis that you can do out of your customer data, and this is how you, um, now if I'm designing a next campaign for my ideal target audience, so I know I want to target more and more of artists, healthcare, and entertainment females, because they are probably going to be a uh, high on conversion and low on customer acquisition cost, because they have all the characteristics to be my best customer. So, small data set and a small analysis out here, which I wanted to show it to you. Thank you.